Hey, I'm Johnny with Upfit Supply, and today we are checking out this Holman shelving unit. It is a 52 by 36 by 14 inches deep and is a fantastic product. This is made with extremely durable steel construction. Now what's nice about these shelves is that they can be mounted either like this where the lip is up, or you can rotate it, flip it upside down, and it'd be a flat, smooth surface, similar to how this one's mounted right here. What's also nice is the ease of installation when it comes to installing these shelves. You can see here on the side, they've got these adjustable lance supports. All you're gonna have to do is lift it up, click it into place, and attach these screws to keep it nice and secure. We've got this one mounted up with a few accessories like this drawer, as well as this workbench top. Another great feature of this shelf is it comes with brackets to install that secure it firmly into place and is adjustable. You can see here, comes with this nice 16 gauge bracketry. Installing it is a breeze and keeps things very easy when you're putting this into your cargo van. Now, just like all Holman shelving products, this comes with a durable powder coat on it. It has a 3-year warranty and is made to last for any of the trades. This comes in multiple different shapes and sizes depending on your van size or the shelving need that you have for your trade. You can find shelves like this and more on upfitsupply.com.